Okay guys, it's Waylon. I'm at the Ripon Discount Fireworks. I'm going to do a demo today. I'm going to look at the 200 gram cakes and then some of the better value stuff. I'll just walk you past the fountains here so you can get an idea what that's like. Um, yeah, I'll hit the 200 grams quick and then do some more videos, whatever we got to do. Alright, so we start out with Crackling Minds, $4. Garden and Spring, $4. Natural Instinct, 13. Mercurial Bee, 7. Garden and Spring, 4. Beach Vibes, 10. Bump Bear, 7. Broken Heart, 7. Courageous, 16. Chromo Chameleon, 14. Crisscross, 11. Patriotic Boom, $7. Awesome Cake. Great Expectation, $6. Another good cake. Yellow Fever, 7. Christmas Eve, 12. Slapshot, 14. Winter Ballistic, 10. Avalanche, 11. Raccoon Swoon, new this year, 13. Crazy Like a Fox, 11. Mystic Bermuda, 10. Thermal Blast, 12. Flabbergasted, 11. That's a good cake. Graffiti, 16. Joker, 14. That's new to us this year. Nation Ovation, $9. Supersonic, $12. Top Maverick, 11. Eye Candy, 12. Pinnacle, $11. Pirates Invasion, 14. Road Trip, 18. Buck Hunter, 18. Jungle Justice, 20. Skedaddle, 21. Caution Cool, 1, 2, 3, $20 a piece. Comrades, 15. Big and Bad, 17. Moody Blue, 13. Coconut Grove, 18. Rowdy Party, 18. Simon Summon, 14. Strongman, 11. Paparazzi, 14. Badfish, 15. Lace Combustion, 15. Grapes Over Vineyard, 16. Just Hanging, 18. Gold Rush, 17. Grillin' and Chillin', 17. Wizards of Oz, 16. Shipwrecked, 17. Pit Crew, 18. Cowboy, 18. Attack Mode, 19. Colorful Whirlwind, 17. Red Letter Day, 14. Courageous, 16. Cowboy Again, Depth Perception, 16. Frat Boys, 17. Hailstorm, 15. Monkey Business, that's my last one, $12. Kick Butt Take Names, 7 apiece. Brat, $11. Gold Splash, 12. Pirate Captain, 13. Miles of Smiles, 14. Color Storm, 15. Killer Cake, 15. Raging Willow, 15. Double Decker, 15. Sky Buffet, 11. Blue Ringed Palms, 14. Big Color, 13. Siren's Call, 12. Viper Strike, 15. Safari, 17. Ultimate Warrior, $12. That one is really, really good. Colorful Skies, $12. Whistling Dixie, $12. Smoky Bandit, 16. Fun Fuel, 13. Peace Out, $12. Aggression, $11. Atomic Particles, $13. Wild Horses, $12. Whirlwind Romance, 2-piece, $22 for the 2. Sin City, 17. Frankenmine, 15. Those are my last 4, almost gone. 25 Carats, 17. Hang Loose, 11. Home Run, 17. Mini Shell Kits, $5. Cyclone Warning, $12. Whiskey Business, 22. Got the Not Me for 16. Couple left. Too Fishy, 16. Nuclear Fusion, $20. Silent Power, $19. We've got these Fox Goat Lit and Bet, $9 a piece. Full service kit, $48 for the 3. The Gold Splash, $12. Confetti Cake, $33. Plague Doctor, 21. Smoke Dragon, $13. Saturn batteries, 300 for 12, 200 for 8, 100 for 4, 25 for 1. Blueprint, $6. Motor Mouth, $20. Boxing King, $11. Sky Shooter, $15. Inferno, $13. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Someone pulled in. So recommend what you want to see. I'll make some more videos. Thanks guys. Open daily. bring cash, we cover the sales tax.